Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make it the easiest hair bow. First thing you're going to need is a measuring device like a ruler or something, a cutting utensil, hot glue gun, hair clip, and any ribbon that you choose. And these are the ribbons that I have chosen. So the first thing you're going to do is get your ribbon and measure it to 8 inches. And we're going to cut 2 pieces to 8 inches. This ribbon is 1.5 inches. So right now I am cutting 2 8-inch strips of ribbon.
Look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please.
I forgot to mention that you will need a lighter to burn the ends, to seal the ends of the ribbon. So that is what I'm doing right here, just sealing the ends so nothing frays.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back to.
So the next thing we're going to do is fold the ribbon in half and make a crease right down the middle, and we're going to do this to both pieces of ribbon.
Like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain.
So right along that creased line, we're going to add some of the hot glue. Take one side of the ribbon and fold it inward so that it's on the glue, and take the other end and fold it so it's touching the glue also. And we're going to hold that down for a little bit to make sure that it sticks.
We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend.
Next, we're going to do the exact same thing to the other piece of ribbon. And excuse my paper towel, I did have my hot glue gun sitting on top of that so it wouldn't ruin my wood or anything like that.
Don't cry for me, oh Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try.
Now that we have both our pieces, we're going to take one of them and put a dab of glue right in the center of it.
When you pronounce my name, oh Gloria, please. Don't cry for me.
Next, fold that in half and hold onto it to make sure that it sticks.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Next, right up under the flap, we're going to add a little bit of glue under that and fold the ribbon backwards so that it will stick. And I'm sorry about my camera, you guys. I was trying to look at it and trying to show you guys, but apparently I was out of focus and everything else, and I don't know why my camera just kept on autofocusing. This camera has given me like crap. So you're going to do that to the other side also, and then hold on to it to ensure that it sticks. And we're going to do this to the other piece of ribbon, the exact same steps.
freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts.
Now that we have finished our two pieces, we're going to put some glue on the bottom, top, whatever you want to call it, and this is how we're going to connect both of them. And you really want to hold on to this really tightly after you line them up to make sure that they're even.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you.
Next, you're going to take your 3/8 ribbon and cut it at 4 inches.
Wanna do. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond.
Go ahead and heat seal both ends.
All I ever need is here.
I place it on my ribbon to see how it looks, just a flat, nothing spectacular going on with it. So I'm going to put a dab of glue right in the middle of it, and then I am going to add my 3/8 ribbon to the middle.
We can go where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough.
Next, I'm going to add some hot glue to the top and the bottom to lay the ribbon down.
I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that.
Now I'm taking my already lined alligator clip and I am going to add that to my bow.
Into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get the things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
here is the finished product. So simple and easy to make. So I'm going to be giving these 2 bows away. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of which bow is your favorite, either the polka dot one or the one that says Happy Easter, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.